Welcome back to our channel. Let's test a quiz on maths. What is 5 plus 3? 6, 7, 8, 9. The answer is 8. What comes after 12? 11, 13, 14 or 15? It's 13. What is 10 minus 4? 5, 6, 7, 8. The right answer is 6. How many sides does a triangle have? 2, 3, 4 or 5? It's 3. If you have 2 apples and you get 3 more, how many do you have? 4, 5, 6 or 7? It's 5. Which number is bigger, 7 or 9? 7, 8, 9, both are equal. 9 is greater than 7. What is double of 4? 6, 8, 10 or 12? It's 8. If you see 5 birds and 2 fly away, how many are left? 2, 3, 4 or 5? The right answer is 3. What is 3 plus 6? 7, 8, 9 or 10? It's 9. A square has how many corners? 2, 3, 4 or 5? It has 4 corners. Thank you for watching our channel. Like,